Greetings and good wishes on behalf of Rajarajan's Education Channel and Students Vision Academy. Now, this is a time you have to think about applying various All India Professional Entrance Examinations and Scholarship Examinations, dear students. Today, I am going to explain about the Scholarship Fellowship Examination KVPY, Kishore Vaijnaik Protoshan Yojana. What is this KVPY? Who can write this? What is the benefit out of this exam? How to prepare for it? This KVPY started in 1999 by the Department of Science and Technology, DST, Government of India, to encourage students who are interested to study basic sciences and to continue their career in research and science, Research in science, not engineering or medicine or something. The nodal agency to run this program is DST, Department of Science and Technology. This DST entrusted the responsibility of organizing this KVPY examination to Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. What are the objectives of this KVPY aptitude test? The students will be selected by an aptitude test. The aim of this aptitude test is to identify and encourage the talented and motivated students to pursue their career in research in science subjects and to help these students to realize their talents, hidden talents and potential in science research in particular, to encourage the capable students and motivate them to involve in scientific research. What are the various streams of examinations available here? This is classified as SA, SX and SB. First, let us discuss about stream SA. What is the eligibility to write this SA aptitude test under KVPY? The students enrolled in 11th standard in science subjects in the year 2020-21. They must have scored a minimum of, if they are general candidates, 75%. If SC/ST or physically challenged candidates, 65% in mathematics and science in aggregate in 10th board examinations. What are the conditions to get this scholarship? They should write the aptitude test. They must join only for the UG course in BSc, BS, B Stat, Statistics, B Maths, or integrated MSc and integrated MS in the year 2022-23 in basic sciences. They must have secured in 12th standard a minimum of, if they are general candidate, 60%. SC/ST or physically challenged, 50% aggregate in science subject. During this interim period of 1 year, the selected candidates will be invited for National Science Camp called Vijyoshi. The travel expenses, the hospitality expenses will be met by KVPY. This is regarding stream SA. Stream SX. This is suitable for students enrolled in 12th standard in 2020-21, aspiring to join undergraduate course, as I mentioned earlier, in BSc, BS, B Stat, B Maths, integrated MSc, integrated MS. They must have secured a minimum of general candidate 75%, SC/ST and physically challenged candidate means 65% aggregate in maths and science in 10th standard board examinations. The conditions: they must have secured a minimum of general candidates 60% minimum, SC/ST or physically challenged 50% aggregate in science subjects. Only they are eligible. Then comes to stream SB. The students have enrolled in first year BSc, BS, B Stat, integrated MSc, integrated MS in the year 2020 and 21. They must have secured a minimum of, if general candidates, 60%, SC/ST and physically challenged 50% in science subjects in 12th and first year undergraduation. These are the three schemes. Now let us discuss what is this fellowship. For basic sciences, SCA, SX and SB. First year to third year, in the science subjects, they will be given a monthly scholarship of rupees 5,000 and an annual contingency grant of rupees 20,000. And if they are SA, SX, SB candidates, MSc, that is 4th year to 5th year, is 2 years. For all these courses, rupees 7,000 per month and an annual contingency grant of 28,000. Now your natural question is, what are the subjects can be taken? What subjects can be taken? Chemistry, physics, mathematics, statistics, biochemistry, microbiology, cell biology, ecology, molecular biology, botany, zoology, physiology, and biotechnology, neuroscience, bioinformatics, marine biology, geology, human biology, genetics, biomedical sciences, applied physiology, material science, environmental science, and geophysics. These are the subjects they could have taken. And what is the selection procedure? As I told you, you are supposed to write an aptitude test. In this year, the test will be on January 31st, 2021. The admit card can be downloaded in the second week of January 2021. Forget not, this is a date of the examinations. Now we have to discuss about the examination pattern. For instance, stream essay, the maths, part 1, 15 questions, part 2, 5 questions, 25 questions. And in physics, 15 questions in part 1, 5 questions in part 2, 25 questions. In chemistry, 15 questions in part 1, 5 questions in part 2, around 25 questions. In biology, 15 questions in part 1 and in part 2, 5 questions, so 25 marks. And in SB and SX scheme, maths 20 questions and 10 questions, 40 marks. Physics 20 and 10 questions, 40 marks. Chemistry 20 and 10 questions, 40 marks. And biology 20 and 10, 40 marks. And the syllabus, there is nothing called prescribed syllabus given by KVPY. As a whole, 10th, 11th and 12th syllabus have to be taken care of in maths, physics, chemistry and biology. For SE, all chapters in 10th and 11th. And if you take SB, 10th, 11th and 12th, and if it is SB scheme, 10th, 11th, 12th and first year. Now the next question is how to apply. The Indian National can apply, and there is a ruling by Honorable High Court of Karnataka. The OCA candidates, PIO candidates who are studying in India are also eligible subject to that condition. You must go into the website http://www.kvpyiascernet.in. And for general candidate, the application fees is rupees 1,250, and for SC, ST and physically challenged candidates, 625 rupees. The application process begins on 6/9/2020. This September, 6/9/2020. The last date for applying is 5/10/2020. The test, the aptitude test will be conducted on 31/1/2021. For every communication, you have to contact KVPY, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, 560012. All the best. The interested student, the aspiring student towards science and research career can apply for it. If you have any clarification regarding this, you can very well contact us in the number, in my number, or Rajarajan 99621 92732. I repeat, 99621 92732. Our mail ID is svavr3@gmail.com. I am interested to tell you one more information. For all these tests, SA, SX, SB scheme, the complete training program, that is practicing sessions, mock test, besides teaching from the basic will be given by our institution, Students Vision Academy, either in offline or in online. You can please contact us and take our service. Wish you all a good luck. Thank you.